I just want to give you an update. I've been driving this car for the last 9 hours. Actually, no. I think I've been actually moving for the last 9 hours. I've been in the car for maybe 11 hours. This whole day. I started off at 6 a.m. I'm not even tired. My back doesn't hurt. My legs don't hurt. I mean, there's no fatigue. None whatsoever. I put over 400 miles, 450 I think, on the car so far. I'm ready for more. Like I don't understand how this car does it. It's probably the most perfectly engineered piece of metal that ever came out of West Germany. And I mean that. I mean, 18-year-old car, I'm doing 70, perfectly calm, quiet. Everything worked except for the low beam. The low beam just went out. But I just had to put this on video because I'm completely floored at how well made this machine is. Just thought you should